What's up guys, it's Flash. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my secret pattern I use on a daily basis. It is a screen share, so stay tuned. What's up guys, I had to interrupt the video and I do apologise. I just wanted to let you guys in on a little secret. The Flash Forward day trading course is out now. If you're interested to learn how to trade stocks the correct way, check the link out below guys. God bless. So guys, let's jump in. Secret pattern, it's one of my favourite patterns. It's one I came across that I noticed, was reoccurring. It's a pattern I studied then and focused on. So the success rate in this one is one of my favorites. It's one of my favorite patterns to trade. It works in different times of the day, and this is one of the patterns in the Flash Forward course that I do go over and cover in huge detail. It is one of the more advanced patterns to trade, and in the course we kind of break down, clear entries, clear exits, what time of day, how to actually follow up on this, on what time frames. But I'm going to kind of recap it here quickly for you. So what I call is a snake VWAP. Now I don't know whether it was called that or that was just my name for it. I don't know the actual, if there is a technical pattern for this, what it is called, but I call it a snake VWAP. So that's what the Flash Forward guys we're calling it, is a snake VWAP. So how we kind of pay attention to this is we have a high here of about 180. So what we're looking for here is the stock to pull back and break below VWAP. Okay, once we start kind of trying to recover here, as we can see, it's trying to recover here, is we're getting rejected off VWAP and we slightly break through. Okay, so it's up and down, we break through, we pull up, we're trying to recover that high again, we fall back down again, the down here, we fall back down, we pop back up, we fall back down, and we're trying to pop back up here. So that's why I call it a snake VWAP. Now this isn't the easiest one to point out. It's the best example I could find for you today without giving you kind of the course videos, but this is the best example I could find, and this stock is VTSB. Sorry, no, SHLO, solo. It's right here. So it's, like I said, it's not the most obvious of patterns in this particular stock. When we really see them nice, it is kind of a clear indication we're following a snake. It's very, very easy to trade on trend lines. So your entries and exits are quite visible when we're trading off our trend lines for the snake VWAP. Now what we're looking for here is to hold this coming into the afternoon to late day, and we're going to see this stock test new highs. Today is the 1st of July, SHLO, and I'd probably say about 80% chance that this stock is going to test highs later today or early tomorrow. If you're watching this video and this video is pre-recorded, so this might be out in a week or 2 weeks, go back to the 1st of July and check the time, check the trade on this stock. Right now it's about 11:15 US time, and this is where we are. We needed to kind of hold midway. If it holds kind of VWAP down and holds our trend lines, we will see this recover up. If it doesn't and it breaks the lows of about 140, the trade is gone and the snake VWAP will not follow through. So it really is only a 7% risk we're taking for potential 40-cent reward. So the odds and the risk to reward ratio is a no-brainer here. So once we can see the patterns available, we know what time of the day we're trading them, we know where our entries and exits are, we know what we're risking to what we're gaining, and if it doesn't work, as I said, and it breaks below 140, the pattern is no more. So the snake VWAP does not exist then. We need to be holding above 140 and holding them trend lines to push up into the run later on that evening. So do keep an eye out for the stock. Even if, like I said, even if you follow this one, go back and check the date to see how the stock performed. There's usually about a 70% or 80% success rate in this pattern. It's one of my favorites when it does come up. Guys, if you're looking to learn more patterns like this, do check out the Flash Forward course. The link is in the description. There's a sale on right now. Go check it out. There's over 20 patterns I trade on a daily basis, and this is a basic breakdown of a snake VWAP. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. Good night and God bless. Making $100,000. Characters I met along the way that stepped in and are a big part of my story. There, so stay tuned.